Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for COVID testing points in the Citymove application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the COVID testing points button. And as you can see, you can choose if you want to do antigen test or PCR self-paid option is available. And you can do it with or without reservation. And there's a drive-in option as well, so if you want to search for any of these, just click on them, but you might have this without a result, so just click on the available option, and then here's a testing point with all the information, opening hours, address, and exact location. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.